Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now today I'm going to show you guys how I managed to make $20,000 per month passive income from YouTube. Now most of this revenue is coming from purely just ad revenue. Most of the money is generally just coming from the views I get on my videos and how much YouTube pay me for those views. So when I started YouTube about 9 years ago, I didn't really know that you can make money on YouTube until I came across a couple of channels that were starting to have advertisements on their videos, and the word got around very fast that you could make money from your videos. So as soon as I found that out, I thought of it as a business opportunity to start making a passive income, and from there I started continuously growing more and more channels to try and make me income every single month. Now guys, when I first started making money on YouTube, for the first year or two I literally made nothing. I was not even doing it really for the money. I was doing it kind of, you know, as a hobby, and whatever I made. I was still in education, and I didn't really think of it as a full-time career move at the moment in time. And then as time went on, I saw YouTube was only getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and they started to pay more and more and more. As the website got bigger, more popular, they started paying more for the views and more for, you know, the advertisements on the videos. And it was in about 2015 and 2014, 2015 when I realized this could be something really huge, and this could be something that I could really do as a full-time career. So starting in 2014, I had my first viral channel, and I literally grinded every single second on that channel every single day, and that made me my first $20,000, and that was over a year period. And when I saw that income first come in, I was so shocked that you could make more than the average wage from just one YouTube channel. Now the cool thing is, since 2014 to now, things have got even more crazy. In the last 5 years, the potential of making money on YouTube has considerably increased, and now I have over 20 YouTube channels, all making me passive income. And in the last month, I've made over $20,000, and I consistently make over $20,000 per month just from YouTube ad revenue. Now I'm not gonna sit here and brag and say that I've got all these exotic things and I can go out and buy all these amazing things, because that's not the purpose of this channel. My purpose here is to show you the potential that you can make from YouTube and the amazing lifestyle changes it can bring to somebody who really tries and grinds on YouTube. See, not does only YouTube just bring a revenue stream, it also brings a very open freedom lifestyle. I'm able to travel wherever I want to. I've just come back from traveling in Europe. I can go anywhere I want to at any time of the day. I can go online, book a flight and go now, and my YouTube channels will continuously grow and continue to make me money. I can schedule my videos to be uploaded, so I can just get on the plane and go and travel the world. Now again, this is not me trying to be big-headed or trying to flex this on you guys. I'm just being honest, and YouTube's really made this possible for me. And you know, for the last couple of months now, I've been making over $20,000 per month consistently, and for the last couple of years I've been making over $15,000 a month, and it just seems to be going up and up and up every single month. Now I know a lot of you guys are trying to make YouTube your full-time career, and the guys who are currently on my channel who always comment on videos asking me how to do it, I always tell you guys how there is the best ways to make money on YouTube. But what I don't really say much is how to kind of maximize your revenue in a very fast way. As you guys already know, if you're subscribed on my channel, I can see all my YouTube plaques here. Well, I've been doing it for a few years now, and from having all this experience, I've come to know that having multiple channels is one of the biggest keys to making a very big passive income from YouTube. Relying just on one channel ad revenue is a very bad idea, because you never know if that channel is going to die out, if it's going to lose subscribers, if it's going to lose popularity, or even if the channel is just going to die in general. So by having multiple channels, that increases your income by 10, 20, 30 times more depending on how many channels you have. So back in 2016, I put out to have a mission to try and make 10 YouTube channels all go viral. And the way I did it was to use my current channels, what are already viral, to push traffic to my new channels, to blow these up and get them into the algorithm to make me more passive income. And what you guys will notice now on YouTube is even the bigger creators are starting to make more channels, because they realize that it's extra passive income. Now, there's a lot of people who make a brand new channel and literally can just send so much traffic to this channel that it blows up instantly. There's loads of examples on YouTube of people just start brand new channels and blow up very fast. Now I'm by far not the biggest earning creator on YouTube. There's a lot of people who make millions more than I do off YouTube. But this is why I like to make this channel, because not a lot of people share their earnings, and not a lot of people promote how you can make money, and a lot of people are not honestly that open transparency, which is why I like to make these videos and show you guys how much I make, how much is possible. Because at the end of the day, when I started doing this, I was in the same position as somebody like potentially you who are trying to do YouTube from the beginning, and I was in that situation, so I know exactly how it feels. And once I've managed to get to where I kind of wanted to be, and by the way, I'm still trying to get there's no end goal, you always want to grow. But when I hit some of my current milestones, like 1 million subscribers or 1 billion views or whatever it is, then I'm able to bring back my experience and tell you guys how it is along the way. And if there's one thing that I have learned from growing all my YouTube channels and getting millions of subscribers and over 3 billion to 4 billion views, the one biggest thing I have learned from doing all of that to make the most money is to be super consistent in a specific niche. From my experience, growing a channel in a very specific niche tends to earn you more revenue, as well as all the obvious factors like making your videos longer, making, you know, advertising your videos in specific countries will gonna pay more. You know, there's loads of factors what make you earn more money on YouTube. Now, like I said, from my experience, having a channel in a very specific niche tends to earn me more ad revenue. Now, just off this one channel alone, as you can see here, this channel right here is a technology channel, and my channel in the last 30 days has gotten over 8 million views and has made me over $10,000. Now, that CPM isn't the best CPM in the world because the videos are very short on that channel. However, this is just one of my 20 channels. You guys can obviously see that I've got multiple channels, and it's basically a way of just kind of having a channel in every single niche, because the thing is with YouTube is trends die out all the time. You could be really popular at one point on YouTube, and then the next couple of months your channel could just slowly go down and down and down, and then you become irrelevant. And that's just not necessarily for famous people, that can be for any type of channel on YouTube, because at the end of the day a channel gains popularity, and then that popularity can go down depending if it gets boring or repetitive. So the best way to make a passive income on YouTube is to continuously jump on trends and make multiple channels. For example, let's say there's a new trend out of, I don't know, maybe for example showing loads of money or throwing money in the air, or maybe there's a new trend of running down a road, I don't know, anything. If it's a new trend, if you make a channel specifically designed on that trend, you can cash in more off that trend, if that makes sense. Now, obviously trends don't always last, but once you gain popularity on a channel, you can always change that into a different niche. Your channels don't have to just stick with that one thing. As soon as you can't get some sort of growth on the channel, you can just go backwards or go forward and change it into another niche. For example, one of my good friends here on YouTube who does this as a full-time career started off by uploading funny fail compilations, you know, people falling over, those type of videos. Then he changed into Minecraft videos. Now he's doing other gaming videos. And, you know, he kind of changed his channel, and now he's got over 2 million subscribers, and he's absolutely killing it just from ad revenue alone. And the point of this is you can continuously change your channel. Now, it's different when you're, you know, building up your personality or you're a public figure, because then obviously your audience are more specifically designed for you. But if you're making multiple channels on YouTube just for trends or compilations or anything like that, you can change that as much as you want. Now, just off ad revenue alone, I make over $20,000 a month. This doesn't take into consideration any courses I sell, any consultation calls I sell, any products, affiliate marketing, brand deals, sponsorships. There's loads more income that come from YouTube, but I'm specifically talking today about YouTube ad revenue, because YouTube ad revenue, believe it or not, is a very, very huge income for most people, and a lot of people on YouTube rely solely on ad revenue to live their life. Now, obviously, there's nothing wrong with living on ad revenue. You know, if you're making $100,000 a month, why wouldn't you live on ad revenue? It's an amazing income. It's 10 times more than the average yearly wage in 1 month. It's a no-brainer. But what I'm saying is you can kind of make that 10 times more just by making 10 more channels on specific niches. So this is basically how I make over $20,000 a month from YouTube. The basic answer to it is I make multiple channels all of the time on brand new niches. I never miss out on a trend. I always jump on it straight away. If you see any new trend around on YouTube, such as the new one, the bottle cap challenge, or, you know, like a specific dance, chances are not you're probably going to see one of my videos on, because I jump on these trends so super quick, because that is the key to getting a viral video and getting it on the money. Now guys, just to add a disclaimer, what I'm saying on this video is purely from experience. You might go and do this and it might not work. It's obviously consistency, hard work, motivation, dedication, and all that good stuff that comes along with it. But what I am saying is that if you do this, you can get a lot of views and make a lot of money. So guys, if you're thinking about doing your YouTube as a full-time career, I would 100% recommend it. It's such a good way to make money, especially from ad revenue alone. And guys, just kind of really grind, because you never know what's possible. You can literally wake up one morning and one of your videos can go from 0 to viral. One video can change your life, and it happens all the time to a lot of people. And I've had it happen multiple times on some of my channels, and it just generally does happen, sometimes overnight. Sometimes it's a consistent grind, sometimes it's overnight. You never know which video is going to take off and explode your YouTube channel. Now guys, if you are interested in looking, you know, how to make more money on YouTube, get more views, get more subscribers and all of that good stuff, go ahead and check out my other videos on my channel. I make countless of videos on my channel of how you can grow your channel, get more money, get into certain niches, make the most money from YouTube, from ad revenue and all that good stuff. All the links are down in the description below. I really suggest you go check them out if you're interested in that type of stuff. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I hope this guys answered the question for you guys, how I make over $20,000 per month consistently from just ad revenue alone. And you know, this video is purposely to show you guys that anything is possible. You know, it doesn't matter who you are, where you live, where you're from, anything to do with your body, whether you're older, younger, specific race, it doesn't make a difference who you are. You can change your life from YouTube, and it only takes one video to really kind of blow up, to make your channel explode. And then you can start making multiple channels, making multiple sources of income, and just kind of change your life. And that is the good thing about YouTube, is it can happen to anybody. And you know, if you ask anybody big, they will say the same thing. So if you did enjoy this video, be sure to leave a like on this video. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload. And thank you guys for watching this video. Take care.